In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emoji in text on Notion. Whether you're looking to make your notes more lively, categorize elements more distinctly, or simply add a dash of personality to your layouts, using emojis can be a great way to enhance your Notion experience. Now, let's dive right in and learn how to do it. First up, ensure that you're on a Notion page where you want to add your emojis. This could be a note, a to-do list, a project documentation, or any customizable page within your Notion workspace. Once you've opened your page, identify the specific block or text area where you'd like to insert an emoji. Placing your cursor in the right spot will set the stage for seamless integration. Now, the easiest and quickest way to add an emoji is by using the keyboard shortcut. If you're using a Windows computer, you'll want to hit the Windows key combined with the period key. For Mac users, simply press Ctrl, Command, and the spacebar simultaneously. Doing so will bring up the Emoji Picker window, a convenient tool that displays a wide variety of emojis for you to choose from. Once you have the Emoji Picker in front of you, it's time to select the perfect emoji for your needs. You can browse through different categories like smileys, food, animals, symbols, and more. If you have a specific emoji in mind, you can simply type its name in the search bar, and it will appear for easy access. This search feature can be especially helpful if you're looking for something particular or when you're in a hurry. Once you've found the emoji you want to use, just click on it. Doing so will insert the emoji right where your cursor is placed in your text. This can be done for single words, phrases, or even entire sentences, depending on how you want the emoji to interact with your text. Just like that, you've added an emoji to your Notion text. To remove an emoji, it's just as simple as backspacing or deleting it like regular text. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to brighten up and customize your Notion pages with emojis. As a last tip, remember that the personality or tone of your Notion pages can greatly benefit from your emoji choices. However, it's a good idea to use them sparingly and appropriately to avoid overwhelming your content with too many visual cues. This will ensure your pages remain professional and easy to read while still maintaining a dash of fun and engagement. I hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy personalizing your Notion workspace and make your notes and pages stand out with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and happy Notion ing!